What's up, everybody? Again, this is James with Esentl Apparel, hitting you up once again with yet another 360 IQ hat video. Today, though, is going to be kind of a special video because today we're going to be highlighting this video featuring these custom leather patches that I have made by my boy Jordan from Caldwell's Custom Designs. So I'm going to go ahead and drop some more info at the end of that video and tell you why you need to get your patches through Caldwell's Customs. So today we're going to do, like always, we're going to get a custom flat bill hat. Again, you know me, I'm always into the more trendy scene. You know, I got my Dixon hat on. You know, I'm trying to drop hats that are a little bit more trendy, you know, from skaters to truckers to, you know, guys that like flannels, dirt bikers. So this style hat is probably the most popular universal hat, and what we're going to do today is we're going to drop an actual leather patch on this hat. So this was a design that I had made. I sent it over to him. You know, he said, hey, I'm going to go ahead and get you some made so you can see what it's like. And by golly, by the time I got these, I was not disappointed whatsoever. Here's one. This is one he came up with. Here's two. We focus in on that. So there's two. There's the oval shape one, and they just came in the mail, so they got a couple little wrinkles in them. Here's the other one that he came up with. Esentl Customs, Esentl Company, and this is our other brand right here. This is our other logo, Esentl Brand 21 Company. Our company, of course, was created in 2021, so that's the year we were born. We arose from a pandemic, and you know, hey, we said, you know, we want to create a brand out there that shouts essential. It's all about essential workers and essential people. And with that kind of slogan, it's been doing well. And the one thing I like about these patches, guys, and the reason why I'm going to recommend these patches from this company, because this guy represents essential workers. He's a firefighter and does this on the side as his side hustle. So he's got his own site up where he does this on the side. Super nice guy. At the end of this video, please go down to the description. You will find the link to his website where you can order patches. He's going to be adding extra links for some of his patchwork. But you know, hey, support small business, support essential workers, and support blue collar. I can't say it enough. Support hard workers. Okay, so without further ado, enough rambling, let's go ahead and get into it. So again, we're using the 360 IQ Hat Press from Stahls Hotronix. If you do not have this hat press but have been thinking about getting a hat press, this is by far the only hat press you should be purchasing for your setup, because it does it all. I mean, it does every hat. It's got a lower platen and an upper platen. But what's cool about this, the lower platen actually heats up, okay? So that's a great cool feature, you know, about that, is that it heats up from the bottom up. So this allows you to do patches and embroidery patches like nobody's business, like you're going to see today. We're going to be getting down on a leather patch. These are normally pretty hard to do on just a normal hat press, but we're rocking and rolling with it here. So I'm going to bring the camera up just a little bit so you can see what's going on here. And then of course we're going to zoom in just slightly, or zoom out just slightly. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I've got my setting for leather already going. So we're at 284 on the top, well 280 on the top, 320 on the bottom. Our pressure is set at about 7. We're going to do about a 30-second press on this. I believe that's what he said. The press will be anywhere from 30 to 45 seconds. Today we're going to try these with a 30-second temp. And of course right now we're just going to use the silicone just to seat the hat a little bit, and then you get to dial in and see where your pressure's at. We'll keep it at about a 6 because I think that's going to work out well. So again, there. Today we're using the 1/8 inch foam pad from Stahls, so we're going to use that. And on top of that, I'm going to be using my shaped bill protector. First, I'm going to take a drink of some Rockstar. This video is not sponsored by Rockstar, but should, because they're delicious and they make you work better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel this backing. Boom. So, right about so, that looks good. And that bottom platen really heats up the bottom, so it kind of sticks in place very well. There's that. I'm going to go ahead and set this in place first. There's that. There we go. That foam pad is actually a little thicker than the silicone, so I had to dial it back just a bit. So now we're going at 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. So again, this is a great machine to invest in. $1,500, I believe, is $14.95. This is going to allow you to do everything and anything production-wise for your hat business. It's going to take your game to a professional level that you've never had before. All right. So we'll see where we're at here. Wow. Yeah, that's stuck pretty dang good. Boom, look at that. One custom leather hat. See all the cool leather texture. My hat is nice and smooth. Stuck well. The sides are all nice and black, you know, from the cut, the die cut. That is on there, guys. I mean, that looks really good. So I'm going to go ahead and let this cool down. The back end is good. Mission accomplished. One custom leather hat that you can now pop on your website. So there it is, guys. Custom leather patches that you can be able to put on your custom apparel. I've been waiting for something like this for a while, and I'm glad I found Jordan. I'm glad he, you know, does this because he loves to do it. Thank you, Jordan, for sending these patches to me. I'm definitely going to be placing another order with you. And please, everyone who's watching this video, if you guys are into custom leather patches, you can send him your artwork. I don't know if he does artwork himself. I'm pretty sure, but it would probably be easier if you just send it to him. You know, Illustrator format or whatever, send it to him or get in contact with him, or if you need to contact him, you can hit me up and we can get in contact with him and you know, see if he can set something up with you. But Caldwell's Customs, definitely online. I'll drop the link in the description. Hit my boy up, get your leather patches done. Hey, I mean, it's only going to increase your business and allow you to make more money, and the dude is awesome. So keep in mind too, he's a firefighter, which is an essential worker. Visit our website, essentialbrand.com. These will be releasing soon. Of course, I've got to have some made now because he only sent me the samples. But yeah, so this is James. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're showing you guys how to easily create quality products that you can drop on your website. If you like this video in any way, shape, or form, do me a favor. Hit the like button because that's going to help increase our presence within the YouTube algorithm. So if this is something you're into, go ahead and subscribe as well. So until the next time, my name is James, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.